Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do when your Fortnite Festival media streaming error. So let's get started. So to fix that, you have to follow this easy step. So if you see for Google, just search for here as Fortnite Festival error. Okay, Festival error. As you can see, Fortnite is error like showing. So to fix that, you can restart your game. You can check your the internet speed. It is because may often because of internet speed, and sometimes it is the Epic Games issue. So from there you can fix it. It's easy way too. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.